couple things that I didn't quite understand. Like, I didn't know exactly what they wanted. You know, in a short paragraph, use a summary to describe the data.
Oh, so yeah, my understanding was they just wanted what the information, right?
Right. But I put down like the before mean and the after mean and the standard deviation. But they just wanted like the differential mean, right? The difference
Right.
mean. But I just saw that after I looked at the answers. I just wasn't exactly sure what they wanted, but I think I understand it okay.
Right.
Should we start the quiz or do you want to go over any of the other
No,
stuff?
I think I'm good. We could start the quiz.
Okay. So I'm eating a little ice cream. I'm
That's
hungry.
funny. I just got done eating my bowl of ice cream.
Oh, good. We hardly ever have ice cream, but it was our twins' birthday. So
Today.
we have them.
It was their birthday today.
Yeah, sorry, cut out a couple of times, but
That's all right. Was it? It is their birthday today.
no, it was on Saturday.
Oh, gotcha.
So we had all of our cousins and stuff come over. So I bought a bunch of ice cream.
Fun. I know Reagan's birthday is this Saturday, so that should be fun.
Yeah.
All right. You know, the only thing I couldn't figure out is how to, in Excel, do a QQ plot. I can't remember how to do it. I'm going to have my husband show me.
I just did it on that other, the quantitative descriptive statistics, the old one we were using.
Yeah.
I just I just put the data in there and then got the QQ plot.
Okay. Good to
Down
know.
at the bottom. Yeah.
Ray,
What's
what's
up?
up? Mama. What? Yes, you can. Hey, I'm doing a live meeting, so please shut the door, okay? Oh, she's gonna be so much trouble when she gets older. She's too cute.
Not fun.
It is. She's fun. Okay, so question 3.
Okay, so which data do we pull up? A and B?
I don't know. Let's see what they say.
There's A.
Yeah, mine's going slow.
Different, right?
Um, yeah, which one do we use?
I'm just confused a little bit here. Is this one they want us to compute ourselves, maybe?
Um,
Because it doesn't fit either one of the data that we have, I think.
well, it says use those.
Oh, great.
Oh, do we need to just plug that into the formula?
That's what I think we need to do. I'll just have, I just plug I've just been plugging everything into that. Okay, I need my phone.
What'd you get?
I just barely got my phone, so I'm just. You can stop everyone with this. Yeah. Two? Did you get two?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
We need to use that T-applet for this next question.
I don't think so. The probability of obtaining a test statistic greater than Jordan's. Yeah, how do we get the p-value? I don't know how to do this.
Use this probability to determine the p-value for Jordan's hypothesis test.
The test statistic is 0,
See, I feel like we have to put this into one of the
0.0403. I just can't remember how you get p from
p-value is
the t. Is this what we did last time?
no, I don't believe so. Let me see.
I don't know how to do this one.
I don't either. Because
even if you
they're determining the p-values for us. So I don't even know. Hold on. Let's Google it. So it's something to do with t-score and degrees of freedom.
okay.
But we don't have either of those. Okay. I have no clue. Not even gonna lie. Do we need to put it in the Excel? I just feel like we're missing something here.
Well, I tried entering like the mean and the number and stuff. That's what I'm thinking too. It almost seems like it should be easier somehow.
Right?
No.
Sorry. Got to make sure kids are getting picked up. I apologize.
Oh, you're totally fine. This is a hard time of day for me too.
Use the probability to determine the p-value.
Use this probability. Is test.
Okay.
So what little applet?
The tablet.
I think I got it last time. Let me see if I still have it. It's not the normal probability applet.
No, it's the student P.
Because all we have to do is enter this, and then it has to be greater, right?
Did you find that little T applet?
No. That's 0.484 if you put it in, if it's greater than, right? Greater than Jordan's test statistic. T distribution outlet, there it is. It's right at the top of our quiz. Did you find it?
There we go. Got it. So if we put, I'm going to unhighlight the left side in the middle and then put the probability in. Is that kind of what you're thinking?
I put the probability in and then I highlighted the greater than. Is that what you're doing? Because it says it's greater than, right? So that's, I don't know this. I'm struggling with it, but the probability of obtaining a test statistic greater than Jordan's test statistic is 0.0403. So how are you doing?
So I put the probability in the area part, and then I just took the
Oh, you put the probability in the area, and I put it down at the bottom. But it is the p-score, isn't it?
right.
So
Well,
what, 0.0403, right?
yeah, and how do we know the degrees of freedom?
I don't know. I just left mine on 3. What's yours say?
It says 3 too. It doesn't change the number at all, so it doesn't matter. I'm playing with it, so it
Use
just
the probability to determine the p-value, and we're ending up with the t-value.
I know.
I'm so confused.
I am too. But this is the only thing I can think of doing. What are we missing? Oh
I
my.
think you need to put it down at the bottom. 0.0403, and then you get your probability of 0.485. We could try it both ways and maybe see. I don't know. I think it's a test statistic rather than a probability that they're giving us, and they want a probability for the answer, but I don't know. I'm still a little confused that I'm doing that right.
Well, you know what we could do is you do one way, I'll do the other, and then when we take the quiz, we know.
Okay, sounds good. Then
Is
with
that
the other one, you can just go in and change it.
yeah, so let's go with that.
Okay.
Sorry. Oh, geez.
I was thinking this one was going to be a fast one tonight.
Oh,
So
right?
I thought,
Yeah.
well, this is where you can
You
just plug
totally
it into
beat the
this.
Hey, by the way, do you go
Right.
by Kim or Kimberly?
I go by Kim.
I kind
On
of
my
thought
papers and everything say Kimberly, but I just go by Kim.
you know, every time I put your name in, I'm like, I bet she likes to go by Kim. I should ask her
I
next
do.
time, and I always forget to ask you.
See my
What?
name tag? I even has Kim on my RN license.
Oh,
I just have everyone call me Kim. Okay, I'm hoping this one's a little bit like more basic.
more straightforward. So you put in the other one?
Yeah, I did. I put in 0.485.
Okay, and then I put the other one in. So then we know if we're either one of us is right or if we're just completely off.
Or if either
Have a
we
clue.
both we do not know how to do this problem.
Apparently, we are not as good as we thought. All right. You sure the test does group 1 minus group 2? Okay. Ooh. The alpha is 0.10, so just make sure you put that in too.
Okay. And we're on A, right? Copy.
It's a group 1, right? Minus group 2.
Group 1 minus group 2. So let me make sure I have mine set up right.
Okay. And it's not equal to, right? I was telling my sister, she came down this week and I was telling her how they don't make us do. She's like, I hate statistics because her teacher would make you do every single 12 steps and you have to write out each one. And I was telling her how they just give us the stuff and it solves it for us. She's like, that's so much better.
Yeah, that's true. We just have this little app. It would be a pain if you had to write out each one of these things, wouldn't it?
Right. Okay, so you're good.
So let's see. The test is, what is the test statistic?
0.47.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay.
0.407. These are
What
the
is
kind of questions I thought we were going to get.
what?
These are the kind of questions I thought we were going to be doing.
Not that last one. We just
Right.
must have made that one way harder than it should have been.
Right. I'm thinking so too.
Is this a single tell or two tell?
Two tell.
How do you know
The not equal is two tell.
that? Okay.
If it's less than or more
I
than,
knew that. But I was just like, man, how do you know?
great. So p-value, what did you get for p-value?
I got, so you have to divide that by 2, right? Because it's 2 tell.
Okay, so does this not already divide it by 2 when you put
Oh,
not equal?
no. Is it 1 tell you have to divide by 2 or 2 tell? I think it's the 1 tell, so we're good. So 0.689. Is that what you got?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe I'm doing that wrong.
You're going to fail to reject?
Right.
Hold on. So we're still not going to reject the null, even when you do the greater than.
Right. But then the way it's worded is kind of different. I'm not sure.
Oh, hold on.
Mm-hmm.
I wrote some notes on this one. I can't remember.
So I think it's insufficient evidence that the mean of the differences is greater than 0.
I agree. I was just going to say, there we go.
Greater than, right? So the one you're choosing.
Right.
Okay.
Right. I think that's right because that's what we're doing.
Right. And
Okay.
we knew it was sufficient. I just couldn't quite understand what you were saying for a minute.
Right.
Well, I'm sure that's going to be the n because the differential's n minus 1, right?
What are you talking about?
Number 9.
Did you already put the B1 data in?
No, I haven't put it all in yet.
Okay, I'm putting the B1 in, but oh, I didn't even.
I'm just pretty sure that the answer is going to be n.
But there's 22, so probably.
Well, the differential is that minus 1, right? It's n minus 1 is the answer to
Right.
that.
Right? Oh, here we go.
Yeah, our n is 22 and our df is 21. So
Right. So this is a 2-tail also.
is the p value.
So I got 0.001.
So did I.
Okay. Phew. We reject the null.
I'm right.
Decrease?
It decreases, right?
Yeah, because it was 0.001, now it's 0.0006.
Right. So it gets even less.
Yeah. Reject the null.
Right.
Right?
Right.
No. So we have sufficient evidence. So the first one or the third one?
It's the third one because there
Right.
is a difference, and that's why we would reject it, right?
Right. The greater than.
Yeah, that's what I think too. I just put them all in, and that one comes out way smaller than everything else.
Yeah.
Okay, so for this one,
So are we supposed to use, oh, okay, never mind.
the confidence interval doesn't change, right? Did you get 5.303?
Yeah, the only thing changes when you do the greater than or not equal to is the p-value.
Okay.
What is the point estimate?
for this 95% confidence interval. So are you putting the 5.303 dash 18.607?
It's only asking for one thing though.
What is the point estimate? Yeah, you're right.
What is the point estimate? Okay, this must be, let's see what it says in the book. Oh, shoot. It's the plus or minus the margin of error.
So is it your mean on the difference? Is it the 11.955?
Is it the margin of error?
So the next question asks you for what the margin of error is.
Oh, okay.
So is the margin of error the 3.199?
Margin of error is the t times the squared deviation over the population.
Oh, wait. What? Doesn't it give it to us though on this? I think it's the standard error of the mean, which is 3.199.
Mm.
I don't know. Did any of these ask for that? Frustrating.
What? Oh, the sample mean. It's the D-bar. The sample mean difference, point estimate.
The 11.955 is our D bar, right? Where did you find that? Was that in the book?
I just wrote it down, and I think I wrote it off of his
Like off the video or
his
something?
video. So it says like X bar and the D bar are going to be the sample mean or the sample mean difference are the point estimates.
Our D bar is that differences mean, that 11.955.
Right.
I do know that.
Right.
So 11.955. And I really think the standard error of the mean is the 3.199.
Okay.
And
Right. Let's see how they calculate that. So, yeah, that's exactly what it is.
Oh, good. Did you look at the formula inside of it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
Wait.
Yeah.
Maybe.
You don't think?
I think it is.
Divided by the square root of the number. I think it is.
I think so too. So we're putting in lower bound. I put 303 in the upper bound.
Did you put 5.303?
Yeah.
Okay.
What did you? Okay, good.
Like that's what I put too. I just thought you said 303. Like, oh no, I'm way off.
Okay, so that's good. We're done.
And then the 18.607 you put in the other one, right?
Right. So I'm going to submit it. Let's see what we came up with for that one. See if you got it right, or I feel like we probably totally overthought that one.
You too.
You know? So my answer's wrong.
We remembered the applet. So I feel like it's one of those.
Is yours right?
Yeah, I missed number 4. Did you get yours right?
No, mine's wrong.
So is mine. And we missed number 15.
Uh-oh.
Did you miss 15 too? And 17. Oh, great. So I was wrong on the margin of error. I'm sorry.
As we've seen, the p-value depends on the alternative hypothesis. In general, which alternative hypothesis will give the smallest p-value?
I really thought that was greater than, didn't you?
Yeah, I mean, as far as what we had put in.
Maybe it's not enough information, depends on the problem.
Yeah, it could be totally that. It probably is that one. In fact, I would guess that's it.
And I honestly have no idea how to do number 4.
What is the margin of error? So that is going to be your t-score times the squared deviation over the population. So that was what I was wondering, because it didn't have the t times in the thing. So all we'd have to do is.
So it's the t, like the 3.737.
Yep. So 3.737 times, and then you're going to do the standard deviation of the mean.
Of the difference. So is it the 15.003?
Yes.
Divided by
the square root of the population. So 11.95. So that's the mean.
The mean.
Okay. And margin of error is t times the squared deviation of the population.
Weird.
What is the margin of error? That's
okay.
The standard deviation.
Is it 11.95 minus the 3 minus or plus the 3.199? Of error.
Hold on. I'm gonna look it up in the book and see what it says. We're looking for margin of error, right?
Yeah. Did you read his note that it was it his grandma or grandpa that passed away?
Uh-uh.
So he wasn't going to have any class meetings this week. So I'm like, oh, these would be maybe good to ask him about because I just don't know how to do them.
Right. Well, they have that video too that they put in the assignment that he walks you through all of it as far as the homework, or
The video, the two videos that you watch, or is it a different video?
it's it's a different one. It's like a tutoring one.
Oh, maybe I need to go back through and watch it.
All right, let's see.
Hmm. I just really thought that was.
Hmm.
Yeah. Well, I guess I'll just look it up and see if I can find them. If you find the answer to that, will you let me know? I'd really like to know what the margin of error is. I feel like I need to know that one.
Mm, hold on. Yeah, so a lot of this is what we learned last time. So let's see.
I just haven't looked at it all day, because they've been at work and
Right.
just can't remember.
I don't know either. He is the critical value. Hmm. I don't know. So we got that one wrong.
Yeah, I'm just looking at the ones.
Hmm. Square root of. Hmm.
This is the one. I'm just writing these down. Margin of error. I'm sure they've told us somewhere in there, and I just can't remember what it is.
Right. Well, I know it's in that video. That's where I wrote that stuff down from.
Okay, so maybe I just need to go back and watch it. If I figure it out, I'll let you know. So
Okay.
did you watch the video like for the extra tutorial?
What? Sorry.
Is it one that's under like the extra tutorial?
Um,
Is it in the preparation part? I don't think I've ever watched it. Where it says if you still need a little help, use this.
yeah. So it's when
Okay.
in the individual preparation, it
Uh-huh.
gives you the reading assignments. It gives you the homework or the preparation assignment and preparation answer key, and then the videos, and then a line below that is another video that you can watch if you still need more help.
Okay. Well, I'll go watch that. I haven't watched it, and if I can see or if I get the formula or something, I'll text it to you.
Okay.
That sound good?
Sounds good.
And I don't know how, I have no idea how to do number 4. And I
Right.
think other one that we missed, I think that we just, it depends on the information probably. Because what if you get a negative number? It might change that. You
Right.
know, the, like which one would make the p-value lower?
I think that's going to vary because
Yeah,
if
I think too.
we put in some different values, it can go way above. So that would tell us whether we reject or the null or not. So depending on what the number is if we reject it. So I feel like it's too hard to determine.
That's what
So
I think too. Okay.
the probability one and the margin of error one, though, I'm just
I don't know. I don't know if I just am tired and I can't remember or just feel like maybe I've never learned it.
right.
But I'll try watching that other video and see if I see anything, okay?
Sounds good.
Okay. Thanks for meeting later with me.
No problem. All right. And then I'll see you Thursday.
Okay. Sounds
All
good.
right. Bye.
Bye.